guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can speed up your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to speed up this video, just select your clip here, go to the speed section at the top and just slide this to the right to speed it up. And it will look like this. You can speed it up to 60x speed. It's just going to make it like super fast. You can't really tell the difference. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can speed up videos in CapCut PC. You can also use curves, which like speeds it up for like a moment here and then slows it down. There's like flash in, flash out, just like adjust it with your videos. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.